Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to be doing some spark plugs and wires on a 2002 Nissan Quest. And I'm just going to show you guys the process. I haven't done really much of anything right now except for open the hood. So as you can see, all of the plugs here in the front are very accessible. There's these three here. There's there's one here, and then one right in there. That all six, and they come to your distributor right there. So I'll just follow along. Like I said, this one is we just remove it with our socket for spark plugs. All right, now I'm working on the second spark plug. It's a good thing that they came in, because if you look at the old one, there's a lot of not only rust, but like what you see here on the tip of the spark plug itself is that what they call blow by. That means that there's some of the exhaust gases getting too much pressure and coming out into away from the spark plug, and it should be completely sealed. So okay, now we're going to move on to the third one, located right here. Okay, the third one right here is done. The thing you have to do to take caution not to mix up the cables is just do one at a time. So you would disconnect, this one, bam. If I follow it, disconnect it here, so that you only have one exposed out of the six. That way it makes it easier to not only route, but also to make sure that you don't mess up the ignition timing, so that you don't cause misfires or a check engine light to come on. For the ones in the back over here, you're gonna need two 6-inch extensions to get there on top of your 5/8 socket to get in there. Um, so we're just working along. All right, these two are more or less the same with the 6-inch extension, and then you have the one that's over here, the last and final one. With every service that we have here for a tune-up or spark plugs, we put a little bit of anti-seize, right, and some dielectric grease to go on the tips of the wires. But that's just one of the few things that we do here at Gary's Auto. If you would like any services, then even soon to come to a driveway near you, inquire about our mobile services as well. Like always, appreciate you guys. Until next time.